Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I got another unboxing video for you, and this time it is Latest in Beauty. And this is the new season beauty box. If you're new to Latest in Beauty, I'll give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious in seeing what items I chose in this month's subscription, then I'll add a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flick forward. Latest in Beauty is a monthly subscription box. It comes in 3 different sizes, 3 different price brackets, and you can cancel any time. Latest in Beauty is a little bit different in the fact that you get to choose the items that you want inside your box. So every month they bring out an edit. They release products every day throughout the month, so you choose from the edit the products that you want. Now you can opt for a 3 product box, which will cost you £9. You can opt for a 6 product box, which is what I've got, and that will cost you £15, or you can opt for a 9 product box, which costs you £18. So say for instance you decide to take out a 6 product box, you have got the option then before your next payment is due the following month to either increase that to a 9 product box or decrease it to a 3 product box. So you've got that option there. If you go for a monthly subscription, you can cancel any time, but they do offer, I think it's 3, 6 and 12-month subscription as well. And I think they've got a deal on at the moment to have a 3-month subscription of a 6 product box, which would cost you £45 for £30. If I can find that code and any other codes I can find online, I'll pop them down below in description. So underneath this video, see show more, click that, that'll bring up the description and everything will be down there. They only ship within the UK. Shipping is free for the subscription boxes, but for the collection boxes you add on shipping on top. But there's always deals, there's always codes lying around. I'm kindly gifted this box by Latest in Beauty. I'm on their PR list. I've been now for the last couple of months, so I'm really grateful for them sending me these boxes. So let's open this up and show you what I chose this month. It's quite heavy. Lots of worms there. Give you a quick sneak peek first. There you go. So the first item I'm really excited about trying. I've seen it in Tesco's recently and I've had a sniff and it is absolutely gorgeous. It's Umberto Gianni. It's a hair product. It's a banana butter treatment for your hair. That's what it looks like there. And they've come out in a few different ranges, all fruity smells and everything from what I can remember. But yeah, it's shea butter, coconut oil, kapukai butter, Brazil nut oil and banana. And it says on the back here, restore the bounce, shine and manageability to thirsty curls. The silicone-free repairing and moisturising leave-in conditioner is your new wonder product to repair, strengthen and defrizz naturally curly and super curly without weighing it down. I haven't got curly hair, as you can tell. I just wanted to get it because it smells so gorgeous. So I don't know what it'd be like on my hair, but I'll give it a go. My daughter's got wavy hair, so oh my god, it just smells like banana milkshake. Oh my word, can you see there? That is just gorgeous. I just love it. Oh, I love it, love it, love it. So I'll see what it is like on my hair. I'll see. But yeah. So that's the first item I chose. Next we've got a massive micellar water, and this is by Garnier Skin Active, and it says new micellar milky cleansing water, and this is for dry and sensitive skin, removes makeup and cleanses and hydrates, no rinsing for eyes, lips and face. And this is 400 ml and it says there's 200 uses in there. So I've tried their other micellar waters and they're really lovely. So I thought, oh, this is a bit different, a little bit different. So I wonder, because it's full dry and sensitive skin, if it just feels more moisturising on the skin. It's an easy way to remove makeup, cleanse, hydrate and comfort skin in one step without rinsing. Recognised by the British Skin Foundation. So that's my second item. Next I got a little product for my friend, and this is Incognito and it's citronella deodorant, and it says here it's a natural crystal deodorant, no aluminium, fresh citrus fragrance, helps protect from insect bites, 24-hour protection. Now, she has really bad trouble with mosquitoes. Oh my gosh, everywhere we go, she tends to get bitten by them. If she gets bitten, they turn nasty. So she is paranoid about going anywhere where she's likely to get bitten. We're off to Italy for a couple of days very soon. So I saw that and I just thought, you know what, I'll give that to her. So Incognito, I think they also had a spray on their website as well. On the Latest in Beauty website then, so you could get that as well. Next is a collagen shot. This is a protocol collagen shot, red berry flavour, high strength, 5,000 milligrams per serving, and we've got 50 mils here. Drink 1 bottle a day for a minimum of 4 weeks. Improved results come with extended consumption. Once opened, consume within 24 hours. Collagen helps obviously with the skin. That's the main thing I'm aware of it. But I thought I'd give that a go and see what that is like. I know one shot and I'm not going to see any miracles or anything. But yeah, it's an excuse to look into it a little bit more and to see if it's something I'd actually think of buying and doing over like 4 weeks as it suggests. So there's that. Next I got some wipes. Now these are 100% biodegradable baby wipes, as gentle as cotton wool and water, suitable for newborns, by the brand Mum and You, and there's 56 in there and a nice big size. Handy for me in here, wiping makeup off my hands. Handy downstairs for, I don't know, just clearing tables, anything like that. It's just handy having these wipes. But obviously they are not good for the environment. So when I saw these, I thought, right, I'm going to give them a go, see what they are like, and see also where I can buy them. So we only use biodegradable ones in the future. So there's that. Lastly, I got a little box. And in here, it's really cute, really cute. I got a organic soft heel balm, and I've got a sponge or a pumice, or what was it, what does it say? What's it say, is it in English? Pumice sponge. So it looks like there. And that's the heel balm there. I just thought it was really cute. So they're like little mini sample travel sizes. Oh, it smells like mint. Oh, that is gorgeous. Oh my word. Can you see there? That just smells of mint. I haven't got the nicest feet, unfortunately, so I thought that'd be quite nice to try. And that's really cute in its own little box as well. Got instructions on how to use it, but also that's what they look like, the full size version. Just found a £10 off code for a Balance the Nighttime Edit box, which I unboxed a couple of weeks ago on my channel, and it's one of the collection boxes. It normally costs £28 and there's a code here to receive it for £18. So I'll put that down in the description as well. Valid until the 30th of November, so that's good. If that's a box that takes your fancy, that's quite a good saving. I'm really happy with my items. Some for me, some for my friend, and some like the Collagen Shot I don't really know much about, but I think I've got a really good mix, really good mix. So yeah, so as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. Do you subscribe to Latest in Beauty? Did you receive any products I've chosen this month? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.